Have you ever wondered how the brain evolves? Dr. Joe Dispenza, a world-renowned neuroscientist and author, is here to answer that question. In this video, we will explore the evolution of the brain and discover how learning and experiencing play a key role in its development. We will look at how experiences shape our brains, help us reach a state of flow, and give us the potential to learn more. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the importance of learning and experiencing. Exploring the evolution of the brain is a fascinating topic, and Dr. Joe Dispenza has been at the forefront of this research for many years. His work centers around examining how we can use neuroscience to better understand our brains and improve our lives. In this video, we'll take a look at how learning and experiencing can help us evolve our brains. Evolution allows us to pass on knowledge and wisdom from one generation to the next. The brain is the central processing unit where these connections are made, allowing for intelligence, memory, and behavioral change. When we learn something new, it involves making new circuits, synaptic connections, in the thinking part of our brain, neocortex. This helps us store information that can be recalled later when needed. It also helps us process new information more quickly in future instances. Experience also enriches the brain by involving all 5 senses at once: sound, sight, touch, taste, and smell. This produces emotion or chemical changes that are remembered as events. These memories are stored as neural pathways to recall them when necessary in future experiences, or conversations with others about those experiences. The best way to evolve our brains is by personalizing what we learn, modifying behavior so that we have a different experience than another person who learned something similar but reacted differently due to their own life experiences or personality traits. For example, physical activities such as building something with tools or feeling pain from hitting one's thumb with a hammer while working. Those things require active engagement with your environment, which stimulates your brain's ability to learn quickly on its feet. So if you want to keep evolving your brain through learning, then go out there. Explore different fields of study through books or videos. Try out some experiments. Get involved in physical activities like playing sports, practice meditation, talk about what you've learned with friends. Do whatever helps you grow. The impact of experiences on brain development. Have you ever wondered about the impact experiences have on the development of your brain? Dr. Joe Dispenza has researched this topic for years and has come to some fascinating conclusions about the importance of learning and experiencing to evolve our brains. According to his research, experiences are far more important than knowledge in creating meaningful memories and enriching the brain. This is because when we experience something new or challenging, our brains are forced to create new neural pathways which help us process and store information more effectively. To test this theory, he conducted a study with rats living in different environments. The results showed that rats living in an enriched environment with siblings had more neurons, stronger connections, and denser brains compared to those living in a deprived or standard environment. This proved that experiences can have immense effects on the development of our brains. Dr. Dispenza also argues that the feelings we experience during events shape our personalities based on emotional states over time. These emotions become part of who we are, making them much easier to recall during future situations or conversations. However, to evolve beyond the same old emotions, it is necessary to unlearn certain beliefs and perceptions about oneself, relearn new information by seeking out different experiences. Apply this knowledge to further develop oneself, and then share it with others so they may benefit too. Experiencing things outside our comfort zone is essential if we want to grow as human beings, both physically and mentally. So let's get out there today and start exploring our potential through repeated experiences to reach a state of flow. Dr. Joe Dispenza contends that the quantum field holds infinite potential for us to create new experiences through our emotions. He suggests that emotions are merely the product of experience and not inherently negative. To truly evolve our brains, we must not only learn and experience, but also repeat these experiences to understand them at a deeper level. This repetition is crucial for achieving a higher level of understanding, leading to effortless execution and mastery of a subject, and achieving a state of flow. Repetition of experiences allows us access into our unconscious mind, which enables us to make connections with previously learned information and create novel connections. As a result, we can consolidate information, allowing for more efficient problem solving and quick responses in different situations. Dr. Dispenza emphasizes that through meditation practice, repeating certain experiences can allow you to reach your deepest potential. Ultimately, deep understanding of a subject leads to mastery, making skills second nature and allowing an individual's true potential to flourish. In conclusion, learning and experiencing are both essential elements in the evolution of our brains. Experiences help us create meaningful memories, while learning helps us store information to use in the future. Repetition of experiences also allows us to access our unconscious mind, leading to a greater understanding of a subject, pushing us towards achieving a state of flow and unleashing our true potential. It is clear that learning and experiencing are key components for unlocking our full potential as human beings. So let's start exploring and experiencing life more fully today. Thanks for watching this video till the end. May God bless you all.